Class 6. Together we are a family. 5.3 Read the following story. Anamika and her family. Hello, my name is Anamika. There are 4 members in my family. They are my moth dash, my father, my brother, and myself. My parents are hardworking. They wake up early in the morning and start working. They do the household chores together and help each other. We have our breakfast together. After that, my parents leave for work. They come back home in the evening. Usually, my mother prepares dinner for us, and sometimes my father helps her in cooking. When one of them becomes busy with other work, the other takes the responsibility of cooking. My little brother and I also help them. We also clean the house with the help of our parents. We try to do our work on our own. For example, I always wash my clothes and clean my plate after taking breakfast, lunch, or dinner. We never push any work to others. After our dinner, we all spend some time together, and sometimes we have a family meeting. In our family meeting, everyone is welcome to express their opinion. Whenever we face any problem, we try to solve it by ourselves. I can freely share anything with my parents. My parents also encourage me to respect everyone's opinion. So, even when my little brother says something, I listen to him attentively and always try to appreciate him. We are a happy family.